Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team bringing you the March Lehigh Valley real estate market update. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay up to date on all things real estate in the Lehigh Valley. March brought us some luck in the real estate market, even if you're not Irish. Slowly relaxing COVID policies coupled with the usual spring sales activity helped in decreasing the days on market by 44% since March 2020, taking us from 43 days to only 24. The number of available homes have been cut in half this month compared to March 2020. In 2020, there was 1,237 homes available in March, while in 2020, there was only 556 homes. In addition, the month supply of inventory also dropped 55.6% from 1.8 months to only 0.8 months. Despite this drop, the number of new listings remained relatively high at 840 homes, a 15% increase from that of March 2020 at 727 homes. Luckily, we saw a 37% increase in pending sales from 553 homes to 758 homes. Last year, March closed sales came in at 585 homes, and this year there was an 8% decrease, taking us to 538 homes. Due to low inventory, sellers have been able to price their homes higher this March opposed to last March. This year, the average sale price was just under $268,000, and last year it was just over $238,000. If you're buying or selling this year, we here at the Home Premier team wish you the best of luck. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for the April market update.